Here we are in Cove Lake State Park in beautiful La Follette, Tennessee, right off of I-75. It's a beautiful mountainous area that is the place of a very special music festival called the Louie Bluey Music Festival. This will happen on the 29th and 30th of September of 2023. There'll be the first time I'm hosting a workshop at a music festival. I'm really excited about it. I've shot this festival for 3 years in a row. It's really, really neat. There's a lot of very eclectic musicians that come, a lot of mountain music, a lot of bluegrass, a lot of gospel. It's very, very cool. In addition to that, there's a lot of artisans, like true artisans from Appalachia that come. There's people that bring beautiful quilts that they've made. There's luthiers here that are actually making instruments, so you can see them actually assembling instruments as they go. There's lots of opportunities for people to make portraits of musicians with their instruments, but mainly there's going to be 2 big live stages of music that goes all day long from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. And so this is a great opportunity if you love to shoot music. Maybe you don't do it a lot, you'd like to learn how to do it better. What we'll do is we'll gather on that Friday night of that weekend, and we'll have a welcome dinner where we all can get to know each other, talk about our photography, and just and then I'll be able to just kind of go through and explain what Saturday will look like. Saturday morning we'll all come to the festival together. We will then get photo passes, credentials and stuff. Lunch will be provided. There's a whole bunch of food trucks that come, and you'll all get a coupon for a meal, so you don't have to leave and then come back. Basically, it's a great opportunity. You'll be able to shoot live music on 2 different main stages, but then there's all these jam sessions that happen all over the place. There's actually a tent, like a picker's tent, where people gather and just kind of play, and there may be 6, 8, 10 people playing all at once. It's really, really cool. So I'm excited about this. The first time I've ever hosted a music festival for a workshop. SONY will be here with gear. If you want to borrow some equipment or lenses or a camera or something like that. You don't have to be a SONY user to come to this workshop at all. We welcome any brand, it doesn't matter. But I'm excited. So here's how it'll look. Basically Friday night we gather at a dinner, probably at a Mexican place. Then we'll kind of get to know each other. Then Saturday is just shoot all day. When we finish at 5 o'clock on Saturday, we will then head out and go out to dinner together as a group. Then it's time to edit. And then on Sunday morning, you'll be able to check out of your rooms, and then we'll gather in a classroom situation at the hotel, and we'll be able to critique everything that we shot throughout the day. It's really going to be a neat opportunity for people that don't get to shoot a lot of music or haven't ever, or want to do it better, whatever. I'm SONY Artisan of Imagery, Pat Murphy-Racey. I'm excited about this. Please consider coming, tell your friends, bring your friends, whatever. So we're going to probably limit this to 10 to 12 people. Any more than that gets a little too much with just 2 stages. So you'll have all kinds of opportunity to make images and video too.